Any
SVA.
thunderstorms that develop this afternoon could produce heavy rainfall rates. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch 276 in effect until 7 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following areas. In Colorado, this watch includes 2 counties in east central Colorado, Elbert, Lincoln. This includes the cities of Elizabeth, Kiowa, and Lemon. Primary threats include scattered large hail likely with isolated very large hail events to 2 inches in diameter, possible scattered damaging wind gusts to 70 miles an hour, possible a tornado or 2 possible. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means conditions are favorable for severe thunderstorms in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be on the lookout
Boulder
for
County.
threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Severe thunderstorms can and occasionally do produce tornadoes.
Doubleheader.
Flood watch remains in effect through this evening. What? Flooding caused by excessive rain.
Okay, I take that back.
Portions of central.
Yeah, we're gonna have to get the AM/FM stuff.
Favorites. Yeah, those are awesome. Your Institute. No, I get up. Free.
Okay, no FM, let's try AM. Okay, let me try FM one more time.
Market
Career
now.
Y eso no es todo. T-Mobile.
Right? Yeah. Guys, no, you talk about this.
You believe birds fresh row.
You see? For all you ain't that cool? Nice.
Okay, so Boulder County, looks like it didn't serve whatever WNG550 serves Boulder County, but very specific areas of it. And KC76 on the station propagation, it says it doesn't serve Boulder County, but it tones it for it anyway. So I'm confused, so we'll just roll with it. And looks like I missed a severe thunderstorm warning for El Paso, but that's okay. I don't really care about El Paso County. I just care about the alerts that come over this thing.